Hi, this is Mike Vickery along with Rob Clapper. We're with the Bradley Corporation. We want to show you just how easy it is to refill any of our 6A hand sanitizer dispensers. Rob, as you know, we have three different options right now with the sanitizer. We have a liquid or gel. Number two, we have the foam. And then number three, one that delivers a mist. All three of them are really the same as when it comes to refilling. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to refill this particular model. Rob?
First off, you can see the level right from the sight glass in the front. If it's low or completely gone, you just open it up.
Okay.
Pull the soap dispenser tank out. It's got some nice coarse threads, makes it easy to fill. We recommend you taking it out of the unit so you don't end up spilling a lot inside the container.
Right. This container, Rob, can take up to 27 ounces in one fill, or that's 800 milliliters.
Plus the fact you can buy extra tanks, have them off-site. You can fill them off-site, refill them, and then it's a matter of just swapping out the tank on-site if you'd rather do that.
Mm-hmm.
It's just as easy as that to slide it right back into the holder.
Okay.
And then rotate the cover back up.
Right.
And then lock it back up.
The blue light what's the blue light indicating, Rob?
The blue light, first of all, flashes 4 times, indicating that everything's ready to go.
Okay, great.
And then it flashes once when you put your hand in there.
Okay.
And then subsequently, if you end up seeing a rapid fire light flashing, that means your batteries are low and need to be replaced.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rob. The 6A dispenser.